Hi everyone, welcome to another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification so you don't miss a video every time I upload one. For today's recipe, I'm going to make a very quick, easy and simple boneless skinless chicken recipe. You will have your meal in less than 20 minutes. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, I am going to use 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts that I will start cutting into stripes, smaller stripes, and then I will set it aside and then we will start cooking it. So I'm using cast iron skillet. I will pour about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I will add garlic and onion. Then I will saute it for a couple of minutes. After my onion and garlic are translucent, I will add now my chicken stripes and make sure that the chicken takes on the flavor of the onion and garlic. I will then add chili powder, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I do like a lot of chili powder. I will also add ground cumin, which is 1 teaspoon. Then I will add salt to taste, pepper to taste also. Now that I've added all my ingredients, I will now start stirring the chicken around to make sure that all these flavorful ingredients will get into the chicken. Since I like lots of chili powder, I will add some more. You can add as much as you want depending on your taste. Then once I've added the chili powder, I will now cover the skillet with a lid and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. My chicken stripes have been cooking for 5 to 7 minutes. All the excess water has been drained, so I will now add some parsley to taste. Then I will mix everything together. So now I'm cutting a little bit of it to see in the middle that it's cooked, and you can cut it easily. To make sure my chicken is not very dry, I will add some more olive oil and then stir it. After stirring it, I will cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. Then I will remove the lid to stir it again. And our chicken is ready. It's that quick and easy. I am going to let it cool off for a couple of minutes. So it's time for us to serve. So you can see how beautiful they look. Very simple recipe. In less than 20 minutes, I have my chicken stripes ready. It tastes good with some lemon drizzled on it. You can also serve it with fried rice with the video that I've already posted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Until next time, enjoy.